everybody, I'm here today to tell you to do this if you can't make a left turn. This will be an easy driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. Now, by can't make a left turn, I'm not talking about it is illegal to make a left turn. If it's illegal or if it's not allowed to make the left turn, then don't make the left and don't do anything like this. I'm talking about if you deem that it's not a great idea to make the left turn because there's a lot of traffic. Sometimes I need to make a left turn onto a main road. There's just too much traffic. I can't do it. So I do this instead. It's a very simple process. I'm going to tell you what is involved and then I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay? So basically what you're going to do is instead of making a left, follow along. So instead, if I'm waiting to make a left, I'm waiting to go this way, okay? Pointing towards my window over here. Instead, I'm going to make a right. I'm going to make a left onto the first street. I'm going to do either a three-point turn or a U-turn, which brings me back this way, and I'm going to make a right. And I'm heading in that same direction, but I avoided making the left. I've done this many times. Like I said, sometimes the traffic is just insane. To make a left would be unsafe. Right? So I decide to do this instead. It sends me in the same direction, but I never had to make the left. So I'll demonstrate right here. So follow along with what I'm doing over here. So as I'm driving down the road over here, okay, I'm going to come to a stop, and let's say I want to make a left going this way, right over here, okay? But I can't. Too much traffic. So what I'm going to do is I'm instead going to make a right turn over here, okay? Then I'm going to make a left turn onto this street over here. Follow along. Left turn over here, like this. Then on this street, I'm going to do either a U-turn or a three-point turn. I can rip a U-turn right over here, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do a U-turn. And then now I'm going to turn right. So right now, what I've done is I'm going in the direction as if I was making the left. So right now I'm headed in the direction after I made that right, as if I had made the left. That's the direction that I'm headed, okay? So instead of making the left, I did that. And what you'll notice is sometimes when there's a lot of traffic, this method is even faster. Now I will say, it does add a layer of difficulty because there are lots of extra turns, lots of extra maneuvers. So it does add a layer of difficulty. I totally understand that. But it depends. If you're dealing with a high traffic situation, doing that might actually be safer and easier. I've done it many times, and my wife makes fun of me for doing it all the time. She's like, why are you doing all these extra maneuvers? But then I see the person waiting to make the left where I was going to make the left, and I'm like way earlier than them. So that's what it comes down to. I mean, you just have to weigh it out and still only do everything if you're allowed to do it. If you see a sign that says no U-turn, no three-point turn, no left turn, whatever, obey the rules, right? But I'm talking about if you're allowed to do all of this, but you're just like, listen, I don't want to make a left here. There's too much traffic. You know, there's no set of lights. There's too much traffic. That's what you can do. That's it. So once again, it's right. Make a right turn. So instead of the left, you make a right, then you hook a left on the first street, you do a U-turn, and then you make a right. So once again, instead of going left towards the window, I'm going to go right, left, U-turn, and then right towards the window again. Same direction. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.